I don't know where it's coming from. It's Amazon's.
Amazon.
Huh?
For you.
Hmm?
It's for you.
Check, Mama.
Hi guys, we received a big box from Mama and Papa maybe from them. Yeah, but and we can't wait to open this. Yeah. And we have a small one down here. We have this. Now we're going to open a box. So I'm going to open the small box, and we need help from somebody. Papa, can you come please and help us open? This is what we received, a kitchen and that beach thing there. And now we're gonna tour our kitchen for you. Even we have some Shopkins here. First we have like some things like vegetables here, and we have my oven here, and we put a thing here. And this is our fridge, and where we keep. Also there's some Shopkins things here. And also we have pans, and we have this cooking thing that we use, and this is the dishwasher, and this is the dryer to dry our plates, and this is the microwave where we heat things up, and here's the stove with the pot, and we have the sink with the water with nothing yet, and that's all we have. All its work, and there's one more spot we need to show you. This is where we keep our things, and here's a small aid kit in case somebody gets hurt. We put it in our kitchen, and we're done showing you around.
Yeah, and it's a product. But we need to collect more, like a baby and the mommy and the daddy.
Yeah, like lots. say goodbye.